but I want people to actually visualize and see what it is that I do in order to achieve these. So the first one is I'll actually be producing, um, a video for a brand, and I will be filmed producing it from A to Z. So that I literally hold people's hand and walk them through the whole step, the whole process, step by step. And I think that's very interesting because a lot of people can't imagine, okay, so where do I begin? Okay, so what do I do first? Okay, so do I think of the storyboard, or do I think of the mood board, or what they're wearing, or what they don't know? So I'm going to be producing a video, and I'm going to be filmed,
So
taking it from,
filming the filmer to teach you how to film.
yeah, filming how to, yeah, exactly,
Okay,
how it
cool.
comes together. The second thing is I want to basically give back, and what I've learned over the years in tutorials, and to basically, but in the shortest amount of time. Like I can't do 1 hour tutorials. Like
Yeah.
I I myself can't, you know, watch a tutorial for an hour about, little things. So have cute little educational tutorials that could help anyone around the world, achieve whatever they're looking for in a video. And I think the third one would be to basically create a creative community.